Okay, so we're going to show you one of our favorite pupsicles that we make in the summertime for our dogs. Haley is going to show you the ingredients we're going to be using today. You can mix and match it up with different dog-safe ingredients. So we usually make them in these little Dixie cups because we can just throw them away when they're done, and it works out great. Mm-hmm. Go ahead, Haley.
So I'm going to bring you guys up to the camera. This is what we're using today. We have strawberries, bananas, frozen blueberries, and dried cranberries, which are all dog-safe.
These are cranberries, not raisins. Raisins can be dangerous.
Definitely do not feed your dog raisins or grapes. And we also have homemade plain yogurt. And we're also using some rolled oats.
So we're going to show you how we assemble them.
First we're going to add 2 freeze-dried bananas. And then we're going to add just a few dried cranberries. After that, I like to do 2 spoonfuls of yogurt. You can use plain yogurt, or we have homemade. That'll be a link into a future video. You can also use plain Greek yogurt. Just make sure that it is plain, not vanilla flavored or specialty flavored, just so you're giving the best for your dog. Make sure the yogurt doesn't have any sugar added to it. We're going to add 3 blueberries on top and then a strawberry in the center. And to finish it all off, we're going to do just a spoonful of oats. I like to push it down a little bit, that way they don't crumble out when you go to freeze them. Here is our dog-friendly summer treats.
So Haley's going to put these in the freezer probably overnight, then give them their Pupsicles tomorrow, and they'll be so excited about it. Okay. There's no sugar in that.
It's actually good. I like it.
Okay.
Thank you for watching our video. Is that how you do it?
Yep.
Thank you for watching our video on how to make quick, easy, super fun frozen dog popsicles.
Thank you for stopping by Grains in Small Places. Make sure to like, subscribe, and give us a comment if you like this dog recipe idea. Follow us on our journey. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so we are going to show you.
Blueberries, pineapples, and bananas.
No pineapples.
No! We have cranberries, blueberries, applesauce. No! we have cranberries, blueberries, strawberries, and freeze-dried bananas. Dried cranberries, frozen blueberries, frozen strawberries, freeze-dried bananas.